Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. On 24th of June, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price action of NEO has formed a very big bullish reversal shark move, and we can expect up to 780% very big bullish rally from here. And by the way, it can be a kind of repetitive move like previously I shared back in 2020. That was a big bullish bad pattern. That was also another shark pattern on the 2-week chart. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me show you this idea that I shared back in April 2020, when the price action completed this final leg of the bullish shark on the 2-week chart and entered the buying zone. Now I'm going to play this chart, and you can see that in those days it was moving around $7, and after taking bullish divergence from this buying zone, it rallied up to $140 from around $7. That was more than 1900% rally, and now it is moving at $34.29 after getting retrace back. Now here on the 4-hourly chart, on the very small time period chart, we can see it formed a rising wedge pattern, same as like the Bitcoin did. Bitcoin formed the rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame. The KuCoin formed the rising wedge pattern on the 4-hourly chart. And the Bitcoin broke down the support of the rising wedge, and the KuCoin also broke down the support of the rising wedge pattern. But both coins, the Bitcoin is also moving sideways after breaking down the support of the rising wedge, and the KuCoin is also moving sideways after breaking down the support of the rising wedge. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart here, we can see that we have a strong resistance at $130 during this rally, the price action, even though it was rallied up to $141 or $40, but we have found a resistance here because on the daily time frame chart we have so many rejections at $130, and after that it moved down back to this support, and this is really very strong support zone that starts from $29 to $30, this support zone, and the price line is moving above this very strong support zone from $29 to $30. And you can see previously this support zone has been working as a very strong support here, and here it has been working as a resistance. You can see that we had 1, 2, 3, and 4 rejections here when it was working as a resistance. Then we had 1 rejection on the weekly time frame chart here that when it was working as a support, and after using this previous resistance as a support, the price line confirmed the breakout and moved towards the upside and reached up to this level that was $130, and then moved down back to this support, and that is $30 and to $29. That is a very strong support zone. And we also have a very good support of 50 simple moving average here, and the price line is moving around this weekly 50 simple moving average at the moment. Then we have, if this support zone will be broken down, then you can see that we don't have any significant support or resistance between $30 to $20. Then the price action can move to $20, and here we also have the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, very strong support. And above the price line, we also have the 25 simple moving average, where we have the $55 resistance level. Now keep these support levels in your mind, and I'm just going to take you to this big bullish shark pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. And let me play the chart first of all, because I shared this idea on 24th of June, and now the price action will be moved more down. And if I play the chart, you can see at that time it was moving at $34. At this time even, it is moving at $34. We had a spike here in this buying zone, but at this time it is moving above this $34 level, and we also have a very good support of 100 simple moving average that I've already shown you here in the previous chart, that we have very good support of 100 simple moving average here, that is in the buying zone. And you can also observe that this buying zone is too long, and it goes even in the negative territory, and the price line cannot go in the negative territory. Therefore, I've set the stop loss, the 100 simple moving average. You can use it as your stop loss, because with the passage of the time, it will be moved more up, and you can set your sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence from $51.64 to $110. However, I'm expecting that from here, after such a big bullish shark, harmonic bullish shark formation on the weekly time frame chart, it can start a repetitive move like we had previously. The price lines started the move from approximately $7 to $140, and such move we can expect again in the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.